It's all so touching. Turn it off, Boswell. I can't take it. Why can't I do something nice like that wacky tycoon? Why can't I give away $1 million? Surely there are some poor people left. An excellent idea, Boswell. Excellent. I'll give $1 million to the neediest schnook in the city. It's most discouraging. Everyone is so prosperous. Oh, for the good old days of the Depression. Here I am with $1 million to give away, and I can't find anybody poor enough. Ah, there he is. There's my man. Stop the car, Brinkley. You there, ragamuffin. May I have a word with you? Want the dime, you unfortunate fellow? You keep it. A raffle? You are needy, aren't you? TC? Who's TC? You mean there are others? The alley? Oh, you poor unfortunate creatures. That settles it. Here's a check for $1 million made out to Top Cat. Here, take it to him. You're welcome. All right, Brinkley. Let's go home.